Welcome to this tutorial. I will guide you on how to set up your Facebook chatbot on Chatbot World. Let's get started. First, start by logging in or signing up to the Chatbot World platform. Click Create New Bot and choose Facebook Chatbot. Log into Facebook. Select the page or pages you wish to connect to the chatbot. Click Continue. Review the permissions Chatbot World is requesting. Click Save, and you will be automatically redirected back to the platform. Click Connect Facebook Bot. Congratulations, you connected your chatbot to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching.